If we are registering Amazon into the Amazon UK as a non-UK resident, then if the stock is here, or same thing applies to any parts of the UK, any parts of the Europe. If the stock is there, if you are non-European, non-UK company, we can register VAT. In another case, if we are a UK company, then until we reach the 85k threshold, there is no VAT registrations. I think if we are in whatever the circumstance there is, we do need. I'm not a qualified tax advisor, so you do need to contact your situation and your tax advisor in this. But if you are selling into the UK as a non-UK company, get the VAT registered. That's the best thing to start with, because it will cause issues later on. If you are then setting up a UK company, that's fine. That may be the easiest solution, because then until you reach the threshold, you've got no need to register VAT. So,
I believe the amount is close to 85,000.
That's right, in the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think individual situation is very different from one person to another. So we need to sort of go through what we want to achieve in the next 2 or 3 years, for instance. What sort of forecast in the sales we are doing, or is it just a temporary business? I don't think it would be, but as long as you've got some future growth in mind, your accents in VAT registering or company registering will play a key role here.
Hey, it's Riya Mittal here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to SellerApp's main YouTube channel, where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.